Hey guys, welcome back. Just in the process of spreading these trusses. Now, it looks to me like they've sent these one and one. So I'm gonna put this one into the front, shove it under there as far as I can. Make sure I got bearing on the wall, obviously. Bring this one, the identical one, to the back. I'm gonna leave it face down. I like starting from the back just because it's what I'm used to. So let's see here. This is third one in, 1, 2, 3. Look at this one now. The next one on top. Sorry?
Is it just the front two because they're keyless?
Yeah, that's all. It's just to pack it out flush for the trim guy. I think we're gonna need more 22 and 3/8 blocks. Okay. This one goes on top. Kyle, he's my new guy. He's been with me for about a week now. Working out pretty good, I'd say. So they've been giving us each half units. This hasn't been, well, it's been less than ideal, but it is what it is. We need the foundation guys to catch up there. Problem is, we work on the cold weather days and they don't. So there's a shortage of houses at the moment for that reason alone. Last year at this time they were all caught up, so we were getting full semis, which I find better because then you can stage the material and whatever on one side and build everything else. So you're only moving the material once. This can become a little bit hectic, but it is what it is and it's only temporary. Hey Kyle, can I pass you down this girder? It's gonna go right in the back. It's the lower roof girder. I'll just angle it down here. Awesome. Thank you. Alright, so here's my girder. Double girder from the back. No, that's it. Sorry? All good. Roofs like this, they're fairly small, so one guy can spread the whole thing himself. What's that? No, I'm talking to the guys, the YouTube Nation. Double. You see the girder there in the wall. Same thing on this side. I like to build a girder on the ground and then stand it. I find it works better. So next thing I gotta check is what I would love is for the lower to be on top. But it is what it is. Anyway, I'm gonna flip these, get these out of the way for now, and I'm gonna deal with what's below. Hey Kyle, can you do a good cleanup and then start packing up? Sure. It's almost that time. Start any trusses today. It's almost 5 o'clock. Should have this roof ready for plywood by this time tomorrow. Winter time, you want to be extra careful because it's, as you can see, it gets pretty icy. Who knows how long these trusses have been sitting in the yard. So, when in doubt, just slow down. So there's going to be a little bit of Tetris going on with these, just because they're missed at border, but not a huge deal. Okay. Pull this one out. Second. Flip this one. Flip these ones back.